I think it's really cool that he's really into 3D printing his own things, printing his own crowns, printing his own mouth guards, that he's not afraid to do something on his own and not rely on somebody else to come up with the idea or the technology to be able to achieve the goal he's trying to get done. Referred a lot of people here. A lot of people from my office actually come here. I'm really happy with the treatment here. And then they refer people, and so more and more people come here. So it's neat. Coming to Dr. Lay's has been very relaxing for me. It's taken years to overcome, but knowing now that I can identify that I'm not anxious about coming to the dentist is a relief. Not putting it off, but not rescheduling. Coming to my first dental appointment because I'm not afraid of coming to the dentist or being afraid of being manhandled or being afraid of, made fun of or condescending statements because of my condition of my teeth or something like that. So it's been a very, very positive experience for me with Dr. Lay's.